Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Placement Guide. Today I'm going to share a very important things with you guys that how to become zero to hero in machine learning by just doing these few courses without paying any fee. So if you want to make your career in machine learning, so without wasting any time, just follow the sequence in which I am going to tell you guys. If you will complete these courses in the same sequence in which I am going to tell you, then I'm 100% sure that you will become hero in machine learning. All these courses are available in Coursera. If you are keen to learn, so you can purchase all these courses in free. You all will have doubt that these courses are paid, so how can I purchase it in free, right? So don't worry. Actually, Coursera provide financial aid option. If you will apply for financial aid, then they will provide you the courses in free. If you are facing problem to apply financial aid, then please comment below. I will clear your doubt in my next video that how to apply for financial aid on Coursera. So now, let's start learning my ML from very beginning. And the first course is Machine Learning by Andrew Ng. This course is the best course to start your career in machine learning. And this is available on Coursera. So just use this course to learn the logic behind machine learning. And for programming, he had used Octave, MATLAB. So if you are facing problem to code in Octave, so no need to worry. I will suggest you next course to code in Python. So just understand the concept behind machine learning by using this course. Now the second course which you have to do is learn is deep learning specialization. This is also available on Coursera. After completing the first course, you have to complete this course and then start learning the third course, which is machine learning with Python. For coding, this course is very important because nowadays machine learning with Python is higher in demand. By completing this course, you will learn to code in machine learning very well. Now, you can say that yes, I know machine learning. But if you want to say that I know machine learning very well, then you need to do advanced machine learning specialization. This is also available in Coursera. If you will complete this course, then you can say that yes, I know machine learning very well. If you have still little bit doubt in machine learning, then do Introduction to Machine Learning for Coders, which is the fifth and last course that I am suggesting you. This course is available in fast.ai. If you will complete this course, then I don't think that you will face any problem in machine learning. And now you will become hero in machine learning. If you think that this video was informative for you guys, so please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting notification of my further videos. Thanks for watching.